Get ready for the easiest, most delicious hamburger steak you've ever made. For this recipe, you'll need hamburger, an egg, breadcrumbs, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, salt, pepper, sliced baby bellas, sliced onion, flour, Worcestershire sauce, beef broth, butter, and thyme. Listed here are the ingredients and measurements, so feel free to pause and write them down. In a medium-large mixing bowl, add in your hamburger, crack in an egg, and add your breadcrumbs. The egg and breadcrumbs are used as a binder to ensure the patty doesn't fall apart while being cooked. Toss in the garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and finish with a pinch or two of salt and some freshly cracked black pepper. By hand, mix and massage the ingredients together until fully combined. You want to make sure everything is evenly spread out for consistent tasting patties. In the end, your mix should look a lot similar to this. Next, grab 1/4 of the mixture and shape it into 1/2 inch thick patties. Pat them down and compress them by hand until you have something that looks a lot like this. Repeat this process and you should have 4 evenly sized patties. In a medium-large pan, set the heat to medium and add in some olive oil. Allow the oil to heat up before placing all 4 patties in the pan. You want to give them space to cook separately without touching in order to avoid steaming the patties. Allow the patties to cook for 6 to 8 minutes per side before flipping. You should see a nice, deep brown crust. I find that the tops of the patties are cool enough to touch, and this makes it easier to help with the flipping. However, use caution as there's always potential for the oil to splash. It's also important to let them sit in the pan undisturbed to allow the heat to do its things. Remove the patties and set them on the side. Toss in your butter and let it melt. I find that using tongs to spread the butter helps evenly distribute. Add in your sliced onions and baby bellas. Saute, stirring occasionally for 6 to 8 minutes or until they have softened. Add in some more salt and pepper and coat evenly with flour. This will set the foundation for the gravy we're about to make. Give the veggies a quick mix to ensure everything is evenly spread. Then, slowly add in your beef broth while constantly whisking to ensure that there are no lumps in your gravy. I personally like to do 1/4 of the liquid at a time. Once all the broth has been incorporated, add in your Worcestershire sauce and top with some fresh thyme. Give it a little mix and bring the heat down to medium-low. Stir in occasionally for about 5 minutes. Once the gravy is thickened, it should look a lot like this. Place your patties back into the gravy and be sure to smother them with the sauce. Leave them in until they've been brought back to warmth. This should take roughly anywhere between 1 to 2 minutes. The result is a delicious dinner that is sure to please. Thank you for watching, and until the next time, have a good day.